Okay, Mr. Tubbs, I'm sorry to tell you, but it doesn't look like Miss Tubbs is doing very well. She's deteriorating rather fast. So if I were to draw a blood gas right now, I would think that she was even more acidotic than she was before, probably 7.28. Her CO2 is probably elevated from 55 to into the 60s. Bicarb could be normal, could be slightly elevated, and her O2 is down in the 50s and 60s. So in the last little bit, I watched her lose her ability to manage her secretions. We can't keep her O2 sats, in the 80s. Her respiratory rates gone above 35. These are all signs that she probably needs to be re-intubated. So, and I'm very close at this point to calling a rapid response on Miss Tubbs. Miss Tubbs? Miss Tubbs, she's lost consciousness. And her heart rate's above 140. Go call rapid response. Ring 382. Okay, while we're waiting on rapid response, I'm going to bump her BiPAP up. Her IPAP, I'm going to increase to 14. Her EPAP, I'm going to increase to 8. Okay, and we're going to get ready for reintubation. So the things that we're going to need, I'm going to gather. We'll need our ambu bag at the head of the bed, hooked up to oxygen. Depending on the physician or anesthesiologist that come in, we'll need different laryngoscopes, Macro-Miller, different sizes, whichever one the physician prefers. We'll need a few different size ET tubes. We'll need a stylet, a syringe to inflate the cuff, a tube holder for the ET tube once we get it in place, suction to suction Miss Tubbs' mouth out and prepare for intubation, and an end-tidal CO2 to make sure that we actually got into the lungs once we intubate. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So we're going to wait on the physician to get here and begin the reintubation.